All right, welcome back. So in this video we're looking at another Carnegie Mellon activity. This is bubble T. So we're drawing this right here, which is a cup with some circles down below here. Really what we need to do, we're going to draw the cup first, and that is this right here. So this is a polygon because of the irregular shape here. Okay, and it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a color ivory. So one thing when you're doing polygons is just kind of keep track of the point number. So this will be our first one, then our second, then our third, and then our fourth. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw our polygon. So our first point is 125, 355. And then you can just start stacking them up here. So we'll add another one. So this is 275, 355. Okay, then we're going to go up to this one, which is 295 and 90. And a couple things, just really watch your commas here and really watch that you type in the numbers correctly. I mess those up all the time. You just want to make sure you type them correctly. So 105 and 90. That's our last point. And then we're going to fill this in, and it's going to be ivory. Okay, so we can actually run that, and there's our cup, and that looks good to me. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the bubbles down here, and there's 4 of them. Okay, so that's here to draw the bubbles. Hint, we have bubbles in 2 different colors. So this one right here is sienna, and then this one's chocolate, and this one's sienna. Okay, so I'm going to do, it doesn't matter what order you do these in. We'll start with this one right here. And those are circles, okay? So then this circle is 160, 325. And then we are going to, and then there's a radius here too. 15, and then we're going to fill that in with sienna. Okay, so that's our first one, and we can run that just to make sure we get that one right. Yep, and it'll look different right now because we're going to draw another object over top of this here in a minute. Okay, so it's another polygon. That's what this will be. So don't worry about that. Okay, so on to our next circle. This one is 190, 280. And then that's going to be a radius of 15 as well. And we're going to fill that in with the chocolate. And we might as well go ahead and draw another one down here. That one is 210, 320, 15 is our radius. Oops. Make sure you type those correctly. 310 is our radius, and then we're going to fill that in with chocolate. And I misspelled fill here. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this real quick to make sure, yep, we're good there. Okay, so now let's do our last circle. And that one is, we go to solution, it's 245, 300, 15 radius, and then we're going to fill that in with sienna. Okay, so we'll run that. Yep, and we got those in those correct spots. All right, so now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw the T inside the cup, which is that's right here. So we have 2 things about the T. We have an oval, which is this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that right away. And that oval is 200, 120, and then we can see the size is 165 and 30. Okay? And then we're going to fill that in. And that is going to be medium purple. Oops. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to draw our polygon. And that is this right here. So this is point 4. This is point number 1. So this one's going to be 1. So this is our first one that we're going to start off with. So 134 and then 345. Then we go over here and we got 266 and 345. And this one we have is 283, 120. And then our last one is 117, 120. Okay, now, after that, we're going to fill this in. And we're going to fill it in with that medium purple. And then we have a little more to this because we have an opacity. And that is going to be 70. You can see that. I think if I move my cursor, it'll go away. But yeah, you can see the opacity right there of 70. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this. And there's our tea inside the cup. Okay, so now our last thing is we're going to draw the lid and the straw. So that's this. And that's just going to be an oval. And then we're going to draw this line. This is going to be just a really thick line. So we have a line width of 30. Okay? So the first thing is we'll start with our oval. And that is 290. And then the size is 205 and 50. And then we're going to fill that in with dim gray. That's that first. Yeah, the first one is dim gray. Okay. Oops. Okay, so let's go ahead and run that. Yep, there's our top to our cup. And then our last thing is this line. So this, the way we draw this, is we have our starting point and we have our ending point. So we do 240 and then 290 because we're just going from here to here. Okay? And then we're just going to fill that in. And that's going to be sky blue. And we have a line width of 30. Okay, so when we do a line, we just pick our starting point, we pick our ending point, we do a fill of what color, and then we have a line width. Same thing, and then we have oval, which this is the where we start with, and then this is the width and height. Okay, all right, and then what we fill it in with. All right, so let's run that, and that looks right to me. Okay, so there you go. This is bubble tea. Hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.